Okay.
Now you're disappointed.
What's that?
Stuffy nose, sorry. What is this?
That's honey. That's honey. We make mead in Taiwan?
I know what this honey is.
You know what it's for?
I know what kind of honey this is.
Well, what is it? What is it?
Long yen. Long yen me. Long gun honey. Long gun honey. Yes. What is it up here? Who knows? Who knows?
Is there like a particular kind of winner or a particular kind of specialty beer that we didn't know about until now?
Yes.
What?
Oh, of course it is. Could you tell me why?
Honey beer is our powerful beer in our brand.
So it's won a couple of awards, hasn't it?
Oh yes, it's won the biggest 5 competition in the world, I think.
Wow, hey, congratulations. That's not
Wow.
easy, yeah.
In this year, they have 10,000 beers entries and from 2,500 breweries. Yeah, so it's really big one.
Pride of Taiwan.
But every
Yeah.
time after that, my boss will asking what's the next awards.
Right.
Oh my God, big
Which
pressure.
one can we sign up for?
Hey, I think your boss is watching. You want to speak to him?
Just say that. Yeah, next
Excuse
one.
me.
No problem.
Not that much pressure. Drink a bit. Oh, so this is honey flavored beer?
Right.
Not mead.
Not mead.
Not meat.
Okay.
Yeah. So we fermented all the sugar in the honey. So it's not blending like cocktails. We truly adding honey into the wort preparation. Yeah. So in a hot block.
Hot pot?
I think that's what she said.
Hot
It sounded-
block.
Hot block.
Hot block.
So we are
Where
going
the
into the
fermentation.
brewing techniques.
Right.
That was a very technical term.
Okay, I just noticed that.
You kind of
Expert.
lost us right there. We just like
Brewing,
drinking
really?
the
I need
beer.
to talk about that.
Hey, we have another award winner.
I know.
Yes,
right?
Doug.
Doug. You guys.
Yeah, your long dong.
Yeah, the Long Dong. We won an award for best lager, best American lager in Asia.
Wow.
A few years
God.
back, yeah.
What's the name of the award?
The Asia Beer Awards.
Asia
Asia
Beer
Beer
Yeah, so
Awards.
all of Asia best lager.
Okay.
So
Not easy.
Yeah, it was nice. It
Why
was,
do you think you won?
I think we make a very crisp and authentic lager, and I think that's what people like. You know, 80% of the world's drinkers are lager drinkers, and so we want to provide something that's representative of what those people like.
Right.
Yeah.
Do you want to be the judge?
I would love to be. But I don't know if I'd be good at it.
Oh, the tasting skills actually
Yeah.
is not that easy. It's not
Yeah.
just like I like it or not, but
Right.
you need a lot of, terms to
Right.
describe.
You have to be able to really be accurate and also like
Yes.
understand the process.
Right.
Andreas, what about European? Like, are there certain like different kinds of awards in Europe?
I only have been once in the World Beer Awards with
Okay.
my alt beer.
Ooh, yay! This is called 老啤酒,
Yes.
old
correct.
beer.
And I became just a Taiwan winner for alt beer.
Wow!
Wow, the only one.
An old beer made by a traditional German in Taiwan.
So cute.
That's a really cute slogan.
This is a traditional German beer.
Oh.
Traditional German beer style.
So you won
Actually,
a
it's a
German
Taiwanese
beer
beer.
in a German beer award from Taiwan.
No, this is a World Beer Award.
Oh, it's very dark.
Wow, that's
Hey, I do
beautiful.
much better than you. Hello.
You have all night. You are way better at me.
This is very amberish color, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Yeah,
So how do you describe a very German beer?
It's delicious.
Bravo. Bravo.